everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new review. And in today's review video we are going to review the Sattva Himalayan rock salt lamp, and we are going to review this product. So this is the rock salt lamp that we have. I'm going to tell you what all do we get in the package. So let's get down to the review of the product. So guys, this is what we get in the box. First of all, this is a wooden case. So it is a wooden lamp actually, and what we have here is this is a wire of the lamp, and it goes straight from bottom to the bulb holder here, and this is a wooden case that comes with it, and it has a beautiful design on it, a very strong wooden case, strong wood, made out of strong wood here, and it has a wonderful design on it which looks really nice and rustic feel to it. And then there's a bulb holder here. So along with the lamp we also get a bulb which is here. So this is a small bulb that we get of 25 watt. This is a 25 watt bulb which actually lights up the lamp. So this is the bulb which goes inside right here, which sits on the holder, and we have fitted it. And now along with this set we also get 2 bags of Himalayan rock salt, and here is the rock salt. This is how it looks. This is the Himalayan rock salt. So we get 2 bags of Himalayan rock salt which we need to pour inside this lamp. So here we go. I'm just going to quickly put all the Himalayan rock salt that I have here into the lamp. You need to cover the bulb with the complete rock salt. So we're putting it everything. So it comes up to the brim of it. It fills up till the brim. You need to fill it up with the rock salt till the brim. And now we have put in all the rock salt in it. I'll just pour in whatever is remaining with me right now. Small crystals of rock salt that are remaining, I just pour them in. And here your Himalayan rock salt lamp is ready. So now we just need to plug it into power. And so I have just plugged it into the switch. I'll just turn it on. So let's turn the lamp on and look at it, how beautiful it looks. Very nice and bright. The complete Himalayan salt lamp lights up. Give it like a lava look, like a molten lava look here. So look at it, how beautiful it looks. I'll just turn off the lights so you can see how beautiful it shines. And this is a very nice natural air purifier. It purifies the air by releasing negative ions into the air. So it's a natural air purifier as well. Also it works to help reduce stress and spreads positive energy all around you, makes you feel more positive, reduces your stress through from the light it gives out, because it looks so peaceful and calming. So that is the advantage of the Sattva Himalayan Salt rock salt lamp, is that it is a natural air purifier. It also acts as a stress buster, like just makes you feel more calm just looking at it. Yeah, coming to the price of the product is priced at rupees 1345 on Amazon. The original MRP of the product is rupees 2000, but it is available on Amazon for 1345. If you are looking to purchase this product, the link to the product is in the description below. You can go ahead and purchase it from Amazon for 1345. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.